Barbecue. Right here, I got my Uncle Said. What's up, Uncle?
Good morning. Happy Veterans Day.
Happy Veterans Day to you. So today, we're doing our turkey video, okay? And we're going to do a simple turkey, something that y'all can follow along at home. It's easy. This is going to get it done. What smoker we using today, Uncle Said?
Rusty.
We're using old Rusty. It's a reverse flow stick burner, guys. And before we do anything, I want y'all to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell for notification, and give us some thumbs up. So let's get to going, okay? So what we have here is two 12-pound turkeys. One is 12 pounds. The other one is this one is 12 pounds. This right here is 10 pounds. So 10, 12-pound turkey. And we're gonna bring the ingredients we're using. What is that, Uncle Said?
Butter.
We got
Mandalay.
some Mandalay butter. We got some kosher black pepper. We got some rosemary leaves, some garlic, and some salt. That's it. So we got our herbs, we got our garlic, we got our salt, we got our pepper. That's it, right, Uncle Said?
That's it.
We're gonna do it simple. Follow along with us. Let's get going. It turns liquid, right, Uncle Said?
Yeah.
And we want it to be like a little clarified so that your hands will warm everything up. The butter up already, so it'll soak up all. And I'm using 2 sticks, so make sure you have 2 sticks of butter. That's why you normally use stick per. And you just get that into you can eject it, but me I like this compound butter. That's what it's called, compound butter. To me, it does a better job. To me, it adds a lot of flavor to it. So you can see I'm pressing it down. I'm just going ahead and just using my fingers to press the herbs into the butter. And I'm just folding it down like I'm doing dough, kind of. And you'll see everything just. So as you can see, you'll see just by using that. You see what I'm saying? Like it's all the seasoning is pressing into the butter, and it just doesn't soften up that quick. And that's pretty easy, guys. Okay, so we'll bring you into the turkey part now. Go back a little bit more. I think that's good. Okay. So now, what I like doing is I like getting my hand and just get your hand and go up under this turkey, okay? Up under the breast. And just separate. That easy. Just separate your hand. And you can see my hand going up under this skin. They're just separating all. Get up under that. You don't need a knife. You just need your hand. That's all you need, right, Uncle Said?
Yeah.
And you just go ahead and get all up under there like that, though. And you just and this also helps render the skin. And we'll get a good color. And you just go and do the same thing with them where the thighs at and stuff like that. Things like just put your hand up under there like it's like such. And you do the same thing with the with your drumstick. And you just keep doing the same thing, and I'm telling you, you will thank yourself for doing it this way. Try not to bust your skin open like I just did, but yep. And I get the skin fixed once I get it done. And that'll be perfect right now. I'm gonna do the same thing to this turkey right here. Oh, busting it open, so. I wonder if I go in under here like here, so. These big old hands of mine. maybe we should have Uncle Said do it. But you just gently pull. Gently pull. And you'll just work your fingers. Come on the other side. Get the drumstick the same way. That's a bust, but that's okay. And that's what you do. Alright? So we're gonna start with the butter, Uncle said, okay? We're gonna get the butter, we're just gonna place it right here. Up under the skin. We got a piece right here. We're gonna place it down up under here. We'll do the same thing to the one over here. And remember, if you get it, no matter what, you get it all over the place. That's the key. You want to get it all over, wherever the skin at. And I'm gonna fix the skin for you. I'm gonna show you how to fix the skin, okay? You're gonna have to bite through skin. I'm telling you what. And then once you get the butter, you want to hold it down here. You want to just press over that skin. And you want to just keep pressing and work it out. Work it out. That's what you do. Work it out. And remember, how you put this turkey on the grill is how it's going to cook. So like that does, look, I done fixed that skin. You see how the skin is fixed already? And I'm going to fix this leg. I'm going to probably get some butcher twine and tie that leg up. So the same thing right here. You get this right here. And you just mash that. We'll get that all over here. Okay. Same thing right here. With that butter every day, we're gonna get that all right there, okay? So we're gonna get some butcher's twine and we're gonna bring you back when we butchering.
Hey, back again. Well, I'm finna mix up everything. You got the black pepper. Probably get it even. Then I'm gonna put some kosher salt. Do about the same. Almost stuff. Maybe a half different. Yeah, about like that. Then some garlic. No, I'm gonna use little rosemary. Not too much. Just enough to cover the salt all the way up. That should be about enough. Rosemary, I don't want too much of that. But I think that'll be enough for everybody. Good garlic powder. That should be about it. It ain't much. I might have to do another one, mix another one all together. But I don't want to put too much in here. But this is a good shake bottle we got. We found the one that mix up real good and shake. So we don't want to just have too much. We want to empty it out and then the next time we want.
Now, like I said, to season the goodness out of that skin with just rosemary and salt. That's it, just enough to get the skin a little flavor, guys. And we're gonna show you what we're gonna do to make the skin real bite through and crispy. That's all we're doing, just trying to get a little more seasoning added to it. You know, 'cause we got good seasoning on the inside. Boy, TNT, I know we said we was gonna use old Rusty, but Uncle said recommended What you saying, Uncle Sad?
Just want to try it out. There ain't never been no turkey on it, so we're gonna try it out and see what it do.
We'll see what it do.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see what it do.
Yeah. So
we got the rotisserie here.
yeah.
I'm gonna have Uncle Sad go ahead and load these turkeys up. Oh yeah. You'll put that skin on for me a second, Uncle Sad. They're probably gonna slide back and the heat into it.
Shrink up.
Yeah, they're gonna shrink up. Yeah, I did, bro.
That's all right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we want to see what this rotisserie gonna do.
We want to see. We already know what old Rusty gonna do. We want to
Yeah.
see what the rotisserie gonna do to these turkeys. We want our goal is to have a good smoke flavor and crispy skin. So that's what this grill made for right here: ribs and turkeys. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see what this turkey thing gonna do. Yeah. All right now. So we got the turkeys on the grill. They're rotating. We about to bring you in a little closer, guys. Turkeys rotating. They're looking good. Like I said, we got rosemary, black pepper, salt, and garlic. So we got SPG plus rosemary. So we go ahead and close the thing down, and me and Uncle Sad gonna do what we do. We're gonna get some sides together, okay? Peace. Alright, it's been probably an hour since we put this on. I think I'm finna see what it look like. Looking like. Okay. So I need y'all to trade spots with me. Alright. So we're gonna stop it right there. And I'm gonna use some of this right here, this Parkay butter spray. We're gonna spray it down with that there. Just to make sure the skin get a lot of color to it and get crisp. We're just gonna know what we're gonna use it to spray it down with. Not too much, but we want to make sure that we get a crispy skin on all sides. You can see the color's looking amazing. You want to make sure you get all the every side. Oh. That's why I like the spray on Pam spray. Cause this right here is hard to. Yep, that's good with that. Side right there. Tell you what, man, this rotisserie grill is amazing. Get amazing color. Alright guys, I'll bring y'all back. Alright guys, so we back. Alright, before we get into the cutting portion of this video, let's talk about what we did. Okay, we used rosemary, salt, black pepper, and garlic, right? What I said?
Yep.
We went up under the skin and we used some butcher twine to tie it up, and we cooked it on the rotisserie smoker, right?
Right.
For about 3 hours at 275. Then in the last hour we bumped it up to probably about 325. Okay, that helped out with the crispy skin and the bite through skin. So we're gonna carve it up a little bit for y'all guys. We're gonna bring you in closer, and me and Uncle Sid gonna show you what everything was about, right, Uncle Sid?
Right.
Right. We're gonna ride out on this right here, okay? Breast. I want to check this breast out, Uncle Sid. See how this breast did. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a slice right here. Okay, and then we did let it rest, y'all. It rested for how long, Uncle Sid? Probably about 30 minutes.
Yeah, about 30 minutes.
We let it rest. The good thing is let this turkey rest. And like you said, I'm doing thin slices because I like my slices thin. And the knife I'm using is Dexter. A carving knife. You get it from Malcolm Reed website. Yep. As you can tell, alright, so that's how we look. You see a nice smoke ring, don't you, Uncle Sid?
Mm-hmm.
You see moist turkey. It is super moist. We cooked it to the internal temperature. Probably about 170. And guys, I want to take this out here, guys. Look at that moist. Look at that moisture on that turkey. Can you see that moisture? Look at that moist. Look how moist it is, Uncle Sid.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, beautiful smoke ring. Can you pick up that smoke ring, guys? I hope you can see it. Beautiful smoke ring. Man, I'm looking forward to tasting this. Let's get out, Uncle Sid. We're going to take a taste test, okay? And let's get out and take a taste test, okay?
All right.
Take a taste test. We're going to let you know if this hard work paid off, right, Uncle Sid?
Right.
So I'm going to grab this piece right here, Uncle Sid. Cut that down. Here you go, Uncle Sid. Yeah. And that thing got a smoke ring all the way through it, don't Uncle Sid? So we want to see how it tastes. Man, nice smoke.
You can actually taste that. What that?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Mm-hmm. Hey.
It's good. You did a good job.
Mm-hmm. This turkey is amazing, guys. Follow the simple instruction. Comment, subscribe. Holla at my boy TNT. Say what's up to Uncle Sid. And man, get you some turkey, man, and smoke it, man. God bless you. God bless America. And if you like these videos, you'll love the videos that we post. Go to the iCard above. I'm gonna do a playlist over here, and check out my turkey videos that I already posted. All right. God bless you. God bless America. We out of here.